Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Stable Diffusion tooling for automated thumbnails and banners, full guide step by step clearly. To begin updating your Stable Diffusion tooling, ensure you have the latest version of the software installed. First, open your terminal or command prompt on your machine. Navigate to the directory where your Stable Diffusion toolkit is located. You can do this by using the cd command followed by the path to your toolkit folder. Once you're in the correct directory, confirm that you have the latest version by typing git pull. This command checks for any updates in the repository and fetches them if available. If there are updates, allow the process to complete. Next, verify that all dependencies are current by using the command pip install our requirements.txt. This step ensures that any additional libraries required for your project are also updated. After updating dependencies, it's essential to clear any cache that might affect the new updates. You can do this by running the command python mtorch.cuda.empty_cache. Once the cache is cleared, it's time to configure your tooling for automated thumbnails and banners. Locate the configuration file typically named config.json or similar in your toolkit directory. Open the configuration file in your preferred text editor. Review the settings to meet your project requirements, particularly those related to image dimensions and formats. Make sure to adjust settings for the thumbnail and banner dimensions to ensure they are optimized for your platform. After adjusting the settings, save your changes and close the file. Now, it's time to test your configuration. You can do this by running a sample generation command in your terminal. Type python script_name.py where script_name corresponds to the script handling thumbnail and banner generation. Observe the output to ensure there are no errors. If everything looks good, your tooling is now ready for generating automated thumbnails and banners. To finalize, consider documenting your process to help with future updates or troubleshooting. With your tooling updated and configured, you can now automate the creation of thumbnails and banners efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.